All right, it's Friday, September 1st, just following up on the SPY. You can see here it's continued lower to take out the intraday lows, heading towards the pre-market lows. I bought the puts here on this kind of first move down, orderly pull back to the midpoint of that first move, and then that red bar, anticipating this would be taken out. So now I just scaled out to set up a no risk trade. I bought the 455 puts at 397, just scaled out here at 485 as it was kind of taking out the first target to set up a no risk trade. And now we see, we watch 15-minute price action, and kind of at this point here, taking out that key target. Do we just hold here and continue lower, or is this kind of a bounce point on the day with one push, two pushes down, and then we start up again? High, it still seems likely we're taking out the midpoint of the prior day, heading towards an outside day to the downside. We still have pullback potential, as I discussed on the first video, all the way to this, yellow line at some point. Even if we get the outside day, the best buy signals in the market are going to, in my opinion, occur when we get a little bit of a pullback first and then some kind of, move back up. So we'll see what happens. But again, the high probability today, given the price action, that after you kind of started down, had the orderly pullback here, no buy signals at all above the first bar high, and then getting this red bar here, that you were going to take out this low. So now at no risk, I kind of get to see if that's the chain reaction reaching this target that gets to the halfway point of this day and then gets to the, an outside day to the downside. And if you look at this kind of price action, higher highs here and lower lows with a kind of an area here, you can, all the way to the yellow line, which is the midpoint of the week. If it can get down there and then bounce back up, you can kind of envision kind of higher highs and some point lower lows happening. So let's see if it, builds some momentum down towards that kind of lower low towards yesterday, and that would be a nice trade. But either way, good trade on the SPY here to the downside, and we will just see, watch 15-minute price action, see if it kind of continues towards its next target.